Good morning, students. Once again, you are welcome in Secretariat School online class. Today, we shall study about our first lesson, the portrait of a lady, written by Khuswant Singh. Actually, Khuswant Singh is the grandson in this lesson, and the lady is the grandmother of the writer Khuswant Singh. What is the relation between grandson and grandmother? We will try to know through this lesson. And one thing more, what is the importance of grandmother in our life? Through this lesson we can consider. And in India we know what is the importance of all relations in our life. So through these points we will try to know about the summary of this lesson. First point is grandmother. Grandmother of the writer was very old, and when the people say to the writer that he before in the youth the writer's grandmother was very young and pretty, the writer did not believe, because last 20 years she had been watching her in the same physical appearance. In this way, he did not easily believe about their strength. And grandmother was very old, and her wrinkled face and no energy looking, no physical attraction or any prettiness was there, but she was beautiful lady, and she was very religious lady, and she was very pure and very beautiful with innermost. She was very happy, and she was very good lady, and she was praying every time without any sound, and she had a great belief in God. And other points, grandfather portrait you can see hanging on the wall above the mantelpiece, and in the photograph you will see that the grandfather wearing a turban, loose fitting cloth, and long beard covered maximum part of the chest. Means if you see the portrait of the grandfather, you can say that he had been only grandson or granddaughter, he had not been any daughter or son. And other point, at village. Actually, the writer was living with his grandmother at village because his parents went to city, and here he was living alone with his grandmother. Grandmother was a main person in his life, in his childhood. Means all the works were being done by grandmother, like bathing, eating, and other collecting items, schooling collecting items, all the things grandmother give him. And one thing, if any problem, anything else he faced, so grandmother helped him. And other thing, when the writer went to school, the grandmother also went him with the school, because there is a temple just beside the school. So when the grandson was studying there, and during that time the grandmother was praying God in the temple, and returning time they fed dogs stale chapati and dogs biting and barking to each other. When the writer's parents well settled in the city, so they sent for them to the city. So what happened in the city? So their grandmother and grandson went there, and the writer began to study in English medium school. So there were relation between them because the grandmother cannot help him because he was studying at English medium school. All the subjects except Hindi was in English, so she cannot help him. And in this way, the writer was living in separate room, and the grandmother was praying there. She was not going here and there. She was only walking in the house, and she was telling her rosary every time without any sound, and she was praying only God. And anyhow she tried to balancing her body to put her hand on her waist. In this way, such thing is going on. And there in the city, the grandmother was feeding the sparrow or birds there. She was not getting any dogs in the city. And other thing, for further study, the writer was ready to go abroad, and she went to the railway station to see of the writer, and she kissed his forehead. The writer said that first time she got such physical attachment on his head, and he was also thinking that perhaps he will not meet her again because of his age, because of his old age. But when he returned after 5 years, once again he was able to see the grandmother, and grandmother was very happy to see him, and she collected neighbors women, and with the help of dole she began to sing and play. And this way she played dole and sang song of victory song she sang, and in this way she became weak, and she had fever. Doctor came. Doctor told the family member that she will recover very soon. But the thinking of the grandmother is different to others. She said that she was going to die. Nobody believed her, but she was stopped to talk anybody else and began to give time to the God. And actually in the Hindu mythology, in the last time, during the time, if you talking or if you remembering your God, if you are telling His name, so I think you can get good opportunity, you can get good place in heaven. And in this way, what happened? Finally, she died, and when she died, a number of birds were sitting there, and they were not chirping. Actually, perhaps they considered about it, they knew about her death, and they were also very sad. Writer's mother gave them some food item, but they did not eat. And when the dead body, when the corpse went from there, the birds also flew away, and all food items were collected another day by the sweeper. And in this way, we saw that what the relation between the grandson and grandmother. Actually, the writer missed his grandmother so much. So in this way, through this lesson, I would like to tell you that we should try to respect our all family members, or all ages, or all relatives, because aging is the natural phenomenon. One day all person will be old, and our energy, our beauty, and all the things, our strength will destroy. In this way, we try to respect each and every one, and I hope that you will be very happy to watch this video, and you will get maximum things through this video. Thank you so much. If you feel any problem, you can ask me. I am ready for you. Thank you.